Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Hue Sync Box is probably one of the most exciting gadgets for home entertainment. It takes your TV experience to a whole new level by syncing your Philips Hue smart lights with the colors on your screen. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just enjoying some background ambience, the Hue Sync Box creates a dynamic and immersive environment that reacts in real time to what you're watching. Number 5. Philips Hue A19 Smart LED Bulb, 3-pack. This package includes 3 smart A19 color-changing light bulbs. They are perfect for general lighting anywhere in your home. Add a Hue bridge to enjoy automations and control from anywhere. It provides a secure and stable connection. You can also use Matter to connect your smart home devices to the Hue system. The white and color ambience range offers both warm to cool white and millions of colors. Just screw it in. The smart LED bulbs can dim, brighten, and set the mood instantly. Light your routines throughout the day. You can set a 24-hour natural light scene or choose light to help you focus and unwind. Enjoy convenient smart control. Set up voice control in the Hue app and use simple voice commands to control the lights with Alexa or Google Assistant. Create the ultimate mood lighting with dynamic light effects. It shows subtle changes in brightness and color. You can customize it in the app. What we like. This smart bulb offers millions of colors to create the perfect ambience. It also features voice control for convenient operation. If you like to personalize your lighting and easily set the mood, you should consider these. What people say. All the lights connect through a single hub, so my Wi-Fi is fast again, and the bulbs respond instantly. The color options are excellent, the app is reliable, and the system scales beautifully across the house. Easy to control as tapping on your app icon. No other equipment necessary unless you want to use a dozen or more of these bulbs. Lasts for years. Functions as described. Number 4. Philips Hue Bridge, Smart Lighting Hub. This is the Philips Hue Bridge. It unlocks the full potential of your Hue system. You can enjoy automations, smart control from anywhere in the world, and more with it. With Zigbee technology, it ensures a reliable connection. The lights will work even when your Wi-Fi is down. This provides a stable and secure experience. The Hue Hub enables out-of-home control. You can control your lights with the Hue app anywhere you have an internet connection. It offers convenience and flexibility. Add up to 50 lights and accessories to your smart lighting system. A Hue bridge is required to control Hue outdoor lights and accessories. It expands your smart home possibilities. Make your lights dance, flash, dim and brighten along to your movies, TV shows, PC and music. The sync requires HDMI sync box. It enhances your entertainment experience. The Philips Hue Smart Bridge allows you to connect your lights and accessories to other smart home devices with Matter. It offers seamless integration. The Philips Hue Light Bridge receives automatic updates. So your system is always ready for the future. It ensures you have the latest features. What we like. With this bridge, you can control your lights from anywhere. It also provides a secure and stable connection. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile smart home hub, it is a great choice. What people say. Needed for full control of the Hue lights. While I think that is kind of lame that you have to have it, it does make them work faster and give you complete control to set up individual rooms, scenes, and groups of lights controls. Setup was easy and provides a noticeable increase in speed and smoothness for control of the lights. Without it you can still control the lights to some degree using the app, but not with grouping or rooms, which was super important for us, and the hub enabled that. Philips Hue Smart Hub, compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. This little bridge box transfers your existing Philips Hue light bulbs from Bluetooth-only control to Zigbee wireless controlled bulbs and to the cloud. When you set up this hub, you pair with your phone, then transfer existing BT Hue bulbs to the hub. Then from there, your lights are now controlled by the Zigbee wireless controlled system. No need to be near your lights anymore because it doesn't use Bluetooth from phone. You also need to log into, create an account, Philips Hue Cloud account in order to be able to remotely control the Philips Hue Smart Lights plugs from outside your house. Commands go from phone to Philips Cloud to this smart hub and then out through Zigbee local network to your Philips bulbs plugs. Overall it's pretty slick and works. Very fast reaction. Seems pretty darn reliable. Much more reliable than other systems that have direct Wi-Fi connection to the internet, Plink Casa, other brands. Since Hue relies on a Zigbee wireless system locally in your home, it doesn't need Wi-Fi connectivity, which can often be really spotty and not reliable. Zigbee is lower frequency and can get to all your lights from my basement to third floor and no problem. The Philips Hub uses wired connection to your home router. Therefore can connect to cloud instantly with zero connectivity issues. This is why Philips Hub works so well. Combines wired connection to internet, and then bridges out to your smart Hue accessories via a much more reliable Zigbee system. By the way, Zigbee has been around very long time and is typically used in home security systems to communicate with wireless home sensors. Number 3. Philips Hue Play Light Bar Base Kit. This is the Philips Hue Play Light Bar Base Kit. It's perfect for creating an immersive experience while gaming or watching TV. You can enhance your viewing experience with splashes of light surrounding your TV. To unlock the full potential, you'll need a Hue bridge. This allows for automations and control from anywhere. It also provides a secure and stable connection. The light bar offers both warm to cool white and millions of colors. You can dim, brighten, and set the mood instantly with this smart LED light bar. Create epic backlight for your TV. Simply mount it behind your screen using the included clips and tape. It will enhance your viewing experience. Enjoy convenient smart control. Set up voice control in the Hue app and use simple voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. It makes controlling your lights easy. Connect the light bar to the power supply unit. With each additional one, your smart lighting experience becomes even more immersive. It's easy to set up and use. What we like. This light bar creates an immersive TV lighting experience with millions of colors. It's easy to set up and enhances your viewing experience. If you have a TV and want to take your entertainment to the next level, you should consider this. What people say. They are easy to set up, sync with the Hue Bridge and app, and work with many games and apps that support Hue Sync. They have a base which can be mounted on the bottom so the lights face straight up, or on the smallest end, so the lights stand up and face horizontally. They connected without trouble to my Hue Bridge. Number 2. Anker Power Strip 10-in-1. Keep your desk tidy with this sleek power strip. Its dimensions are designed to save space while providing reliable power. This power hub has 6 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports. It allows you to multitask efficiently and charge your devices quickly. The ergonomic flat plug design makes plugging in easy. You'll have a smooth experience every time you use it. The power strip is designed for simplicity and ease of use. The flat, foldable design makes storage tidy and uncomplicated. You'll receive the Anker USB power strip, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and a connected equipment guarantee. Plus, you'll get friendly customer service. What we like. This power strip offers multiple outlets and fast charging capabilities. It also provides surge protection for your devices. If you are looking for a convenient and safe way to power your devices, this is a great option. What people say. The flat cable made it nice when trying to fit more in cable management. The plug itself is flat, a slim wafer that lies flush against the wall, allowing you to shove a desk or a bookshelf right up against it without leaving a massive, ugly gap. The strip itself is a long, thin, elegant slab, a far cry from the chunky, awkward power bars of yesteryear. It slides into the narrow confines of a cable cubby like a secret agent on a stealth mission. Number 1. Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync Box. This is the Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync Box. It creates an immersive media experience by syncing your lights to any HDMI device. It's a seamless and colorful display that responds to what you watch or listen to. Inside, you'll find the Hue Play HDMI Sync Box, a power adapter, and an HDMI cable. This setup is perfect for enhancing your media experience. It's everything you need to get started. To unlock its full potential, a Hue bridge is required. This allows you to enjoy automations and control from anywhere. It also provides a secure and stable connection for your smart home devices. With 4 HDMI inputs, it connects your media devices to your smart lights. The box reacts to the content you watch or listen to. It creates a dynamic and responsive lighting experience. It easily connects to your Hue bridge, and you can use it immediately with any TV and HDMI device. You can place it on a TV cabinet or shelf without it blocking your screen. Enjoy convenient smart control with voice commands. Set up voice control in the Hue app, and use Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lights. It makes controlling your lights simple. Customize your lighting experience with the Hue app. You can control the speed and intensity of the light effects. You can also adjust the brightness of the room. What we like. This sync box allows your lights to sync with any HDMI device, creating an immersive media experience. It requires a Hue bridge for full functionality. If you want to enhance your entertainment with dynamic lighting effects, you should consider it. What people say. I set this up with a couple Hue Play light bars behind my TV. It works well with video games and movies, and as long as you've configured the entertainment area in the app properly, the colors are pretty spot on and match what's on the screen pretty well. The app for managing the box is pretty straightforward, and I was able to easily set this up in my Logitech Harmony remote. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.